Okay,
6,000.
so today we're going to be teaching you how to use the flow racing scripts in Roblox Studio. So first, you have to have.
I just taught this nigga how to put his shit in mods, and now he's fucking.
Nigga!
Oh my god. You know what? Just for that, I'm timing him out for 5 minutes.
What?
You have to have flow racing script. You have to have this, and then once you spawn it in, you go to this, and then standing scripts, right? And then go to standing GUI, and then hit mod list, and then you want to hit that, and then but where it says player 1, you want to exit that out, and then put your full username. So like this username, not just your nickname, this username. So like you do this, and then you paste it like this. Okay, and then you just keep all of this in workspace. Then you can exit it out if you want. And then you have to have timing. You don't want to use any of this. So like you can do you see where is it? Timing system. Okay, we'll just worry about that later. Oh, timing system right here. Okay, you want to delete the timing system, and you want to use one of these timing systems right here. And that's really all, and you just want to delete, actually no, you want to copy standing scripts, or you can right click it and then hit convert to package, and then hit submit. But I'm going to hit cancel because I already have it in my packages. So all you want is this, put your name in mod list, and then just you have to have timing. Remember that you have to have timing. It doesn't matter what timing. It's just you have to have timing. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Bye!